Experience luxury and sustainability in this exquisite 4-bedroom, 4.5-bathroom estate on St. Croix's East End. A blend of space and intimacy, the property showcases meticulous craftsmanship with coral stone, Danish brick, and bespoke mahogany woodwork. Surrounded by stunning Caribbean sea views and lush greenery, the residence features a private pool and air conditioning. This haven combines modern luxury with natural beauty. This Caribbean masterpiece awaits your personal touch, ready to become your exclusive sanctuary. Contact David Fidelis, your Coldwell Banker real estate professional in St. Croix, for all the details on this property.